Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give a big round of applause to Music and Colors Band. Palakpakan naman po natin at the same time. Palakpakan din natin si Nicolai and Rodaline. Thank you very much. Ayan, grabe ang gabi. Nagkaganda na nagbago po mga bisita. At kaya naman po, before tayo magsimula namin to introduce myself, I'm Andrew Kua. I'm your wedding reception host for this evening. At kaya naman po, no? As part of our introductions and at the same time getting to know more about our guests, I may have to hear some of the applause and cheers po. Asa ng mga bisita natin from Magsingal! Yan! There they are. Siyempre naman, hindi na magpapatalo mga bisita natin from Vigan City! Okay, alright, this time let's make it even more specific, ano? Para mas masaya. Meron tayong two major teams para sa araw na ito, and that is why I may have to hear it. Tingnan natin kung ano nga bang team ang may mas malakas na cheer. Asan dito ang team Nicolai! Uy! Alright, tingnan din naman natin of course ang team Rodaline! Oh! Ayan, syempre tingnan din natin ang mga Ninongs and Ninangs! Yes! Okay lang po yan. Grabe, kakapagod ng araw nito. But of course, we'll be having lots of applause and cheers, everybody. And talking about applause and cheers, mamimigay muna tayo ng prizes sa ating mga active participants. And while waiting for our dear couple, syempre naman, bilang part pa ng celebration natin, we'll give all the good times and good vibes for all of you. At syempre, ano na po natin ang laro na Bring Me. Kaya naman po sa pinakaunang magdadala sa akin ng gamit na kinakailangan ko, syempre meron yung win a special prize galing kay NNR. For the first object, please bring me. Tignan lang natin kung meron sa inyo to, a 25 centavo coin. Alright, 25 centavo coin. Tignan nyo lang po, baka dala-dala nyo na yung mga alkansya nyo. Okay, feel ko may nagdala ng piggy bank niya ngayon. 25 centavo coin. Whether you're old or you're new, basta 25 centavo coin. Ayan, yung old 25 centavo coin na dinala. Thank you so much. We have our first one. Pasensya na girl. Okay, bawi tayo sa susunod. Another. Kakailanganin ko ngayon na, alright, for dear Catholics, rosary. Alright, rosary. Our dear Ninongs and Ninangs can also join. Everybody can join. If you're all part of the celebration, please bring me a rosary. Dapat yung marunong mag-orasyon. Joke lang. Congratulations, you have a winner. There you go. Another, please bring me. Okay. Ito po yung mga mahilisang alahas, ha? The precious gems that you have. Because I'll be needing pearl earrings. Pearl earrings. Yep. Oh, sige. Okay, let me see. Kailangan yung legit, ha? Pero parang peke yata. Galing Visoria na joke lang. But still, thank you so much. And dapat na let's make everybody active for tonight because the next object, please bring me. Tignan natin kung dala nila ito. Invitation. Invitation. Oh, huli nyo ako. Joke lang. Grabe. Pagpali na mga bisita natin. Ang saya nila. Congratulations. Parang hindi pa natin nabubuksan. Tama ba yung kasalanan puntahan mo? Another, please bring me pinakabagong 20 peso coin. 20 peso. Agad-agad, mami. Agad-agad. Kasi sabi ko lang meron na. Legit. Congratulations. Ayan. O sige. Tuloy lang natin dahil ang kailangan ko to. Well, I'm sure karamihan ng mga bisita natin ginagamit na ito. Pero kinakailangan ko, the keypad na cellphone. The keypad na cellphone. Come on, come on. Dapat dala yung charger. Grabe, gumagana pa talaga. May load po ba to? Meron naman. Congratulations. Okay, another. Everyone, I'll be needing. Okay. Pamaypay. Pero hindi ka ibang klase, hindi po yung mga kailangan dahil Filipino team tayo ngayon yung gawa po sa Anahaw. Ay, hindi. Alright, congratulations. Dapat ganyan, di ba? Alright, mukhang galing pa yan sa mga ninuno mo, ha? Okay, hindi naman. Okay, another. Oh, puting panyo. White handkerchief, everybody. White handkerchief. handkerchief. Puti na panyo. Meron po ba? Come on, come on, come on. Ay, pagbigat. Ayun. Ang cute ng bata. Ano to? Slamping. Congratulations. There you go. Okay. Next, I'll be needing, of course, this time, dahil we want to ensure na lahat po ng mga bisita natin ay very safe interacting, and yours truly at lahat po ng mga suppliers natin ay fully vaccinated at naka-receive na rin po kami ng booster shot, kaya po nakik-interact kami safely with all of you. At dahil dyan, kailangan po ng vaccination card. Alright, vaccination card. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Okay. Eto ba, ikaw ba si Trina? Tama? Ang vaccine manufacturer mo ay Pfizer. Grabe din naman. Congratulations. Ayan. And make sure lang po na lahat tayo fully vaccinated. Ha? Sa mga hindi pa po fully vaccinated, please do visit your health office right away. Para to make sure din naman na safe tayo lahat. Another. Okay, eto na. Pag-wait din naman natin kung kanina po bring tayo na I'll be asking questions. Magtatanong po ko. And to those who know the answer, please kayo na po lalapit dito. Good luck din. Pero, okay, for the first question, sino mapagsabi sa akin kung ano ang tawagan ni na Rodeline at Nicolai? Come on, come on! Dito, dito, dito! Kaano natin si Rodeline at Nicolai? Nako po, pamangkin ka at napak-close naman pala kasi. Bigyan natin sa iba. Okay. Eto, kaano natin si Rodeline at Nicolai? Well, friend, kaibigan, eto na. Yan, ano ang tawagan ng dalawa?
Bebeko.
Congratulations! Bebeko is correct! Manly, and at the same time, we gave so much good vibes, and that's participation for today's grand celebration. And as we start, ladies and gentlemen, please allow me to introduce or acknowledge some of our dear guests, and especially that they're here to stand as witnesses of the couple, lalo na for this once-in-a-lifetime occasion. So once you call your name, please stand up for recognition. Everybody, our Ninos and Ninangs, the principal sponsors. Mr. Norman Agustin Avila. Also, we have Dr. and Mrs. Anthony Vera Cruz. Thank you so much. Siyempre naman po, uunahin natin muna silang i-acknowledge. Once again, representing the Avila family, please stand Mr. Mariano Paterno and Mrs. Eva Marie Avila. Please remain standing and as well as together with the kids. Thank you so much. And at the same time, Mr. Rodolfo Fahatin, ably represented by Sir Cornelio Fahatin and Ma'am Belinda Vilma Fahatin, representing the Fahatin clan. Thank you so much. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. I have to ask all our guests, Ninos and Ninangs, secondary sponsors, dearest friends and family, let us all rise. Everybody, let us all rise as ladies and gentlemen, for the very first time of their lives as husband and wife, starting their journey together as a married couple. A big round of applause to the newlywed, Mr. Nicolai Avila and Mrs. Rodeline Fahatin. Finally, Avila! Everybody, thank you so much. Thank you for welcoming our couple with grace and at the same time full of love and happiness. Thank you so much. All right, please take yourselves a seat. And everybody, grabe, napakaganda. These are just once-in-a-lifetime moments that you should not miss. And that is why I would like to thank you all with all your applause and cheers. Andun naman lahat ng pagmamahal, grabe. Well, it's for me, of course, already hosting 270 events. That's the first time na nakapanood ako ng kumanta. Couple na kumanta. But for their entrance, kaya naman congrats guys. Thank you so much for giving us that time that we'd like to really see. Thank you. Okay, so to make it even more special, actually I may be requesting Nikolai dahil as you also pour your love sa inyong pinakamamahal na asawa, this time, it's time for you to give a very short embrace and time for your dear mom dahil siya ang pinakaunang babae na minahal mo din. Kaya naman, we'd like to request Ma'am Eva Marie or Nikolai, pakisundo na lang ang iyong pinakamamahal na mom with all the love. Taking all the special moments, let us now witness the mother and son dance by Mrs. Eva Marie together with her son, Nikolai. Palakpakan! Maraming salamat. And now, one of the special moments we've already witnessed tonight is the mother and son dance. But adding it more on the side of the bride, well, we really know that your dad is now happy watching up from above. And I'm very sure na yun din naman ang gusto niya para sa iyo maging masaya. And everybody, ably representing the dear dad of our dear bride. Palakpakan po natin her uncle, Sir Cornelio Fahating, a tribute to your dad's memories. Ladies and gentlemen, to the honor of the father and her daughter dance, the bride struggling together with her uncle, Cornelio. Let's give a big round of applause. Excited and eager to see how you would have your first bonding together. Ladies and gentlemen, Nikolai and Rodeline will now have their very first dance together. Palakpakan, ladies and gentlemen. And everybody, maraming salamat po for sharing the blessings. And right now, since we're done with all the dance traditions na kung tawagin din naman natin, siguro man Nikolai and Rodeline buong-buo na 1 million ninyo ngayon. Okay? Pero, as part or continuation of the blessings and special moments, please do allow us to give everybody a very short surprise. At dahil po, pakituro lang po, or ipakita po sa akin asan ang cake. Asan ang cake, everyone? And as we wait for your sweet moment together, I have to ask Nikolai and Rodeline, ilang babies ang gusto nyo na magkaroon kayo? 3. Well, that explains why they have 3 layers of cake. Na talaga? Alright. So how many boys, how many girls? Ilan yung plano natin? 2 girls and 1 boy. Hopefully. Rodeline, being the lovely wife, should be the one to hold the knife or cake slicer. So, Nikolai and Rodeline, sino mas magaling magluto para sa inyo? Nagtuturoan na? Sino mas magaling magluto? Or sabihin na lang natin, sino mas magaling kumain? Uy, hindi halata! Pero madalas na nagluluto, sino? Depende na lang. Depende kung sino nasa mood na magluto. O sige. Anyway, being the loving wife, please be the one to hold a knife. Ay, sa kabila na lang. Para i-assist ka din. Kaya mo yan. Reach it. Try to reach it. And everybody, as they slice the cake, send it lang. Let's all count it up to 3. Alright, for the 3 kids, 3 major blessings. For the 3 layers of cake. Para din sa I love you. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, Ladies and gentlemen, the cake slicing, palakpakan naman natin ang bagong kasal. There you go. Get a slice of the cake. And just like what we always do, there is something special that you'll be having together. You want it?
Thank you, baby. I wanna stop.
Careful.
Thank you, baby. Yes, I do. I'm sweet.
Just like what they always say, make sure that your first get-dressed really well. Kailangan special yan. Because you are being watched at the same time and people are gracing this occasion. Lalo na, you're having your first bonding together bilang mag-asawa na. 8 years of love. Diba? There you go. Careful. Okay. So maybe it's time for the both of you to move here, just in front of your cake, so that everybody can see how you share the sweetness together. Okay. Unang-una kong tatanungin si Rodeline. Rodeline, gaano kalaki ang pagmamahal mo kay Nicolai? Ipakita mo yan sa ipapakain mo na cake. Ako yung sakto naman, huwag mong sobra. O, yung saktong pagmamahal mo kay Nicolai. Alright. Pinababawasan. There you go. And now, Nicolai, it's your turn. Gaano din kalaki yung pagmamahal mo kay Rodeline? Lagot. Ayun. At nakawag sumumbote na ko na. Okay. Feed your loving wife as well. 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, the sweetest moment of the couple, palakpakan naman natin, Nicolai and Rodeline. They just have their symbol of blessings. And, of course, we're wishing both of them 3 kids. Oh, 3 kids. Okay. Maraming salamat. There you go. And, especially to make sure that we're full of words of wisdom and full of love. And I have to ask one of the special guests, actually the closest din naman. One of the closest, kay groom and the couple. To lead us all for the wine toasting, I'd like to call in the best man, Sir Darren Don Avila.
Gracias po. Let us have a toast po for Rodeline and Nicolai. Here is everybody.
Darren, maraming salamat. Thank you. And indeed, cheers, cheers. Oh, actually meron akong narinig na mga bisita natin na bumatingting ng kanilang mga baso. May I hear that again, everybody? Okay, well, we can do better than that. So let's go. At syempre, ano pa ba ang gusto natin? Yes. Okay. Well, let's make this alright. Syempre naman, you've been together for 8 years. But you know, a long-lasting marriage deserves a long-lasting kiss. Everybody, magbibilang tayo hanggang 10. Nicolai and Rodeline, hanggang hindi kami nakakarating sa bilang na 10, hindi maghiwalay ang inyong mga labi. As I told you, long-lasting marriage deserves a long-lasting kiss. Everybody, let's all count up to 10. Ready, set, kiss! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, palakpakan naman natin, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much, Nicolai and Rodeline. Yes! Kaya pagod na si Rodeline, I'm very sure. At nagyaya naman, we'll give her the privilege to sit muna. Pero Nicolai, pasensya na. Bilang lalaki, hindi dapat natin binababawan ang ating kaligayahan. Kaya naman, tanong ko na, tatanungin ko na to sa ating mga bisita. Nakita niyo na ba sumayaw si Nicolai? Oo, hindi pa. Hindi pa. Narinig lang natin siyang kumanta kanina, pero ngayon, handungan niya ang kanyang asawa ng isang set. Yan. Dito dapat. Okay, just imagine ito yung entrance sa bahay ninyo, di ba? Okay, ito lang yung kaligayahan mo. And syempre Nicolai, masaya ka para sa kanya. Masaya ka para sa isa't isa. At kaya ipakita mo rin ang ganong kasiyahan mo. Alright? Ito na. Mukhang kinakabahan na si Rodeline. Feel ko, nakainom na rin ng tubig. Alright, Nicolay, iyong-iyo lang siya. Music please!
Hilahin mo, Rodeline. Yan! Once again, gustong marinig ni Nicolay ang kanyang family team. Team Nicolay, asan kayo? Yes! Malapit na. Oops! O, dahan-dahan na, Nicolay. Alright. Tatanungin ko ulit ang ating mga bisita. Okay, this time, Team Rodeline, ano ang gagamitin ni Nicolay para tanggalin ang garter? Pagbibigyan natin ng mga bisita natin. Alright. Kagaya ng sabi ko, iyong-iyo lang siya. Nicolay, sumisid ka na. Pasok! Nasa bewang yung garter. Joke lang. Yes, pinagbigyan tayo, Nicolay. Maraming salamat. Okay, and with that, syempre, sinisimulan na natin ang garter retrieval. Unang-una na tayong magtatawag ng mga single gentlemen. Single gentlemen. Or meron pa, sir? Sino po yung kulang? Sino? Sino ang kulang? Si? Marvy at Emmy! Asan si Emmy? Ay, may asawa na. Loko. Ito talaga. Alam mo talaga, pag sa mga barkada, meron talaga pinaglolokohan, no? Mas so okay na to. We're good. Okay, gentlemen. Sige, po ka muna, Nicolay. Pahinga ha? Alright, here go. Gentlemen, dito tayo. Please, let's move here. Gawa tayo ng isa niya. Okay, we may have to ask all of you na magtanggal ng isang pares ng inyong sapatos. Okay, pakitanggal ng isang pares ng inyong sapatos. Go! Yan. Alright, tanggalin lang po natin at ilagay natin sa center. Ayun. Alright. Binibili po 200 pesos. Okay, brand new. Alright. So, okay na, nakapaglagay na lahat. Now, gentlemen, please follow me here. Dito tayo. Gentlemen, please follow me. Okay. Talikod lang tayo. Okay, talikod lang tayo. Okay, talikod lang dito. Harap lang kayo dito. Yan, okay. So, tanong ko meron akong katanungan sa inyo. Sino dito pag maamin kayo dun sa aking question, ha? Pag maamin kayo sa aking question, itaas nyo lang ang inyong kamay. Sino dito or sino sa inyo ang single? Walang jowa? Wow! Ba't parang last minute ka na? Napag-decided mo, single pala ako. Nag-break na pala kami kagabi. Joke na. Alright, so we have gentlemen. Tanong, okay. Sino dito ang engaged na? Ay, may isa. Kasama mo, fiancé mo. Asan yung fiancé niya? Ano? Sino? Hindi pwede kailangan, laro pa rin naman natin, no? And at the same time, okay, tanong ko rin. Sino dito ang estudyante pa lamang? Wala nga, nagtatrabaho na lahat. Okay, sino dito ang inaasam na makahanap ng kanyang forever dito sa mismong kasal? Aba, ayaw niyo talaga? Alright. So kung tatanungin ko ang isa sa ating mga bisita, is she single? Walang jowa? Tatanungin lang naman kita. If you may have to pick a boyfriend right now, sino sa kanila ang pipiliin mo? Sino?
Pwede lahat naman sila.
Ganda mo ito yung haba ng hair, ha? Siyempre naman, kailangan isa lang. O kapag pagpipiliin kita among the 11 gentlemen, sino ang mas pipiliin mo? Ang choosy mo, girl!
Kailangan si The Park.
Ay! Yes! Alright. Okay, gentlemen, here's the thing. Harap na kayo dito. Uy, nasan yung mga sapatos? Okay, gentlemen, this is the game. Find your shoe game. Ngayon, ang gagawin nyo lang, Hahanapin nyo ang inyong pares ng sapatos, the pair of your shoe. Dahil ang pinakahuling makakahanap ng kanyang sapatos, congratulations, alam mo na. Kaya naman, let's go in 3, 2, 1, hanap! Let's do that, lagot! Hinanap na rin talaga sa mga bisita, Diyos ko po. Pero there can only be one winner. Ganyan kahirap maghanap ng forever. So, kailangan talagang pagsikapin natin, di ba? Tol, anong nangyari? Wala na? Sir, wala talaga yung sapatos mo? Hinanap mo lang over the place. Pati sa comfort room. Wala? Wala talaga? Hindi dito, sir. Wala talaga? Okay. Asan nga ba ang last na shoe? Asan dahil dyan? Congratulations! Congratulations! Yes! Akala mo ba naman? Grabe. Marvin, hindi namin in-expect. Pasensya. Tignan mo nga, napakaswerte mo. Sandali. Di ba ikaw yung engaged kanina? Akalain mo, di ba? O, sige. Eto na. Sir Marvin, dito ka, hindi pa tayo tapos. One more na lang. Mabilisan na lang to. Well, KD. Okay. Dahil wala si Zarina, si KD na. Lumabas daw sila. Actually, hindi yan lumabas. Tumakas talaga sila. Okay na. Alright, so we're good. Apat dapat. Now, eto gagawin natin ha. May tatanungin ako sa inyo. Okay, meron akong tatanungin. And all you have to do is just provide choices. So, girl number 1, sa Korea. Girl number 2. Girl number 2, Japan. Girl number 3, Italy. At yung isa po ay sa United Kingdom. So, meron tayong apat na choices. Korea, Japan, Italy, at United Kingdom. Saan mo gustong pumunta? Korea is correct! Okay! Alright, ayan. Okay, very good. Okay. Kabila, girl number 1 is correct. At kaya naman, for the second question, okay, rahin po natin kay girl number 4. Ano ang paboritong pagkain? Anong gusto yung kainin together? Sige, ganun na lang. Anong gusto yung kainin together? Tusok-tusok daw? Ano yung tusok-tusok? Napaisip ako kung anong klaseng tusok-tusok yun. Alright, girl number 4, tusok-tusok. Girl number 3, adobo. Girl number 2, seafood. Ang daming seafood. Sure? Okay, and girl number 1? Bulalo. Okay, so meron tayo choices. Bulalo, seafood, tusok-tusok, at adobo. Okay. Ayan, tusok-tusok, adobo. Seafood, at saka bulalo. Anong mas pipiliin mo? Bulalo. Bulalo! Diyos ko po, eto ha, the first to get the 3 points naman ay panalo-panalo na. Naku, galingan nyo girls! Galingan nyo! Kaya nyo yan! Okay, one last question. Ano ang gusto nyo tawagan? Okay, ano gusto nyo tawagan nyo? Okay, girl number 1. Daddy, mommy. Girl number 2. Love. Alright. Girl number 3. Honey. Okay, honey and Bibingko. Okay. Ano ba talaga, bro? So meron mommy and daddy, meron ding bebe ko, meron ding love, and meron ding honey. Ngayon, sa 4 na choices natin, alin doon ang pinaka-gusto mo? Mommy, daddy. Mommy and daddy. At kaya naman, maaari ay tumayo ka na lang, Marvin. Dahil, as you take off your blindfold, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations. Alright, you are one another. Yes! Girl number 1. Who is her fiancé? nagsimula si Nicolay, doon ka din dapat mag-start. Yan, ala. Ilang years na kayo? 4 years. Wow, alright. Asa na mga barkada ni Marvin at Dayan? Woo! Okay. Ayan, kaya mo yan ha. Kung anong ginawa kanina ni Nicolay, dapat mas magaling ka na. Alright, music please. Yes! Marvin, sulitin mo na. Huwag ka magmadali. Dahan-dahan. Anong sayaw yun? Oh my gosh! Oh, ikutan mo siya. Ikutan mo. Yes! O sige. Mag-kneel down ka na. Mag-kneel down ka. Ipasok ang garter. Sa paa. Sa legs. Yan. Oops! Hanggang dyan lang dahil gagamitin mo din ang iyong ngipin para iangat ang garter. Kung paano yan tinanggal, ganun din dapat ibabalik. Marvin, go! Woo! And all the best na naman sa future marriage show at the right time. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat and congratulations! Yes, one more time for dear couple. Ayan, dito tayo sa center. At syempre naman po para sa lahat ng ating mga bisita. Once again, asan ang Team Rodeline? Team Nicolay! Lahat, grabe na payo ko, Marty! And once again, of course, for our dear couple, Rodeline and Nicolay, on behalf of the suppliers, maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much for letting us share your special day, and at the same time, maraming salamat din po kay Sir Soren Avila. And everybody, ayan, syempre po sa mga bisita pa natin galing sa iba't ibang dako ng mundo, Vigan City, Magsingan, this has been Ansher Kuwa once again. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Everybody, let's enjoy